Hi there, this is Architect David Barcelona. Welcome to Arquida, where you will learn anything and everything about construction. For this video, we will be discussing about how to install a glass wall and door finish. As you can see, there are several variations of how to install your glass wall and door. There is actually two variations. There is a frameless type and there is a framed type. Now let us watch a video from Gooding Aluminum regarding how to install your glass wall. You have a frame from the top and the bottom. Then you install transparent setting blocks. What are setting blocks? These are made out of silicone to absorb the weight of the glass itself. Put the glass in. Then on top, you anchor it with wedges. Now the wedges size would be dependent on the thickness of your glass. So that's it. After you've installed your wedges, you now have your own glass wall. Remember, the wedges are to be installed in both the bottom and the top portion frame. Now this is how your wall would look like. On the left hand portion or the left side picture, you will see a framed wall and door. Where is the frame? Actually, that's it. It is now exposed. While on the right hand portion is called a frameless wall, wherein you do not see any frame being exposed. Now this is how a construction drawing looks like. Please place your attention on the leftmost portion. That is the basic framing of a wall, wherein you have your head and base frame or base track. So, this is what is called an exposed framing system. But if you would like to have it as a hidden frame, you will increase or you will lower your base track a little bit below the finished floor line, which is actually the red line here. The same goes for the ceiling. If you would like to have a frameless wall, the ceiling should be just below the actual frame itself. Now the pictures, the remaining three pictures are the different variations of how to install the frame. Now for architects or designers, you will see this type of drawing or you will have to do this type of drawing. This shows a wall. As you can see, the details that are now encircled shows the framing detail of your top and bottom frame. Then it will also show the hinges and your door opening or door pulls. That is how to understand this drawing. Now for glass doors, what we have here is what is commonly seen as a glass door in most establishments or residences. As you can see, it is called a pivot glass door. So you have your pivots here. These acts as your hinges. For a double pivot glass door or a pair, this is the locations of your pivot hinge. If you'll notice also, there is an attachment up above wherein this attaches the topmost glass to the glass wall, the top header glass to the top wall. Now, for a hinged glass door, this means to say you have a door jamb. So, you will still place four pieces of hinges attached to the glass wall. In this case, the double glazed acoustic door, wherein this symbol indicates that it is double glazed. When you say double glazed, these are two pieces of glass. Again, you can see four hinges installed on a thicker jamb. Now for sliding doors, let's look at the picture on the left. You have a one panel sliding door which slides to the left. You will notice that the sliding frame mechanism is exposed. Then you will still have your three connections of this panel wall to the existing glass wall. Now for a double sliding door, you will obviously you're going to extend your frame to the sides of it. And it will look like this. It is again an exposed type of sliding mechanism. Now for a premium sliding glass door, let's say that the door moves again to the left. The only difference is that the premium, the sliding mechanism is covered, not exposed. For timber doors, as you can see, it is a double glazed wall. Why? Because of the weight that the door is going to carry on by the wall itself. Now, having a glass wall doesn't always mean that your glass should always be clear. You can now have frosted finishes. Again, that is dependent on your supplier or on the user itself. These frostings can also be procured online, and the user or the contractor itself can actually install this on the glass wall. So now you've learned how to install your glass wall and doors. So watch out for the next video wherein I will be talking about floor framing. Click the subscribe button to discover all the other videos in this site. Click the notification bell to be notified about new videos that we post. If you have additional comments, please post them down below or at our Arkida Facebook page, and I will answer all your queries. Thank you.